Hi, my name is Mark and I'm a bum. The box has revolutionized begging. What I like most about the box is being a bum is hard to get money sometimes because people be using excuses talking about I don't have no paper money. But now that I get Visa, MasterCard or Discover card transaction, it's so easy because then they can't pull that excuse. And once they swipe their credit card, I let them know that it's a tax write-off and they can use it for their taxes. Also, when I get their information, I can also send out emails saying which corners I'll be at to make more money from them. Oh my goodness, and I'm making 4 times as much as I normally make. The box, work for me, can work for you.